you guys, and welcome back to another video by your ultimate fave. If you are new here today, I know that's right. I know you see me looking good. I know you see me looking good. But if you are new here today, make sure to click the subscribe button. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome to another video by your ultimate fave. Oh, yeah. It's the hair. It's the hair. I know, it's the hair. Oh my god, guys, I am so excited. I've been dying to do this review of this hair for the longest time since I actually got the order and I knew that it was on the way. I was dying to do this review because I haven't done a deep wave wig in the longest time. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm sure you guys are wondering where I got this hair, and I'm happy to let you know that I got this hair from Alipearl. I am so excited to have received this wig because I am a die-hard, like I am a day one fan of curly wigs. Now I don't have enough good curly wigs, and I feel like it's one of the things I didn't invest in for a while because the curly wigs that I had in the past tend to shed, they got frizzy, and they just kind of lost their lust after some time. So when I actually got this wig, I was hella excited because I haven't had a curly frontal in the longest time. And as you guys can see, I actually installed it myself. Guys, so far I've done nothing to the hair. All I've done is install the hair, and I wanted to show you guys how it looked before we get into it. Now this is a 13x4 deep wave wig. It's 26 inches and it's a 250% density hair. I got it in the wig cap small. That's because you guys know I've got a pretty small head, but the beautiful thing about this wig is that it actually has their clips inside, and it has an adjustable strap that allows you to make the wig tighter. So you guys will be happy to know that outside of just cutting the sides of the wig, I really didn't have to do much. I just laid the wig down and it laid like a dream. And you know, sometimes when you lay a frontal and you do your makeup, you kind of see that line of demarcation, but let's be honest, don't lie, y'all know this is growing right out of my head. Y'all know this is my hair. Like, call the feds, call the cops, because this is my hair. Can you prove it in court that this is a wig? Because this is not a wig. This is not a wig. This is my hair. Guys, look at the volume of this hair. I am just so in love, and I'm dying for you guys to see how I actually install this. Thanks so much to Alipearl for actually hooking your sister up with an amazing wig. I feel like Beyonce, just even rubbing like my fingers through this wig, it just feels absolutely soft and amazing. So if you guys want to see exactly how I installed this wig, then please keep watching. Today that we are going to install it with a bare face, and then I'll do my makeup, and then we'll see kind of what it looks like without the makeup and with the makeup, just to give you guys kind of an idea of how amazing the lace is, or whether I like it or whether I don't like it. But essentially, here is the hair. It is quite long. I'll give you that. It's quite long. This is 250% hair density, and it's an HD lace. It is soft. It is soft. It is so soft. Can we just have a moment of silence for this wig? Can we just have a moment of silence for this wig? It is... This is exactly what I mean when I say body wave, okay? Deep wave. It is... Guys. It is full. It is soft. Oh my goodness. So it's already pre-plugged. So this is what it kind of looks like once it's pre-plugged. You guys can actually see it's so clear. You can see my fingers through it, meaning that this is going to lay like a dream. I can even see that they also got the knots bleached for me. So they've like bleached them and pre-plugged them, which is amazing. Amazing. Guys, just have a look at this hair. Off the cuff, like have a look at this hair. Okay, this is going to be absolutely amazing. I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tint the lace. I know that, of course, the way that they've plucked it and bleached it, I wouldn't have to go through all of that. But because I'm going to be wearing makeup, I think the best thing that I should do is obviously just tint the lace a little bit so that when I do my makeup and I do kind of contour and highlights, there isn't that kind of line of demarcation. So I'm going to install this and we are going to see how the hair looks. So yeah, guys, watch the video and let's install this deep wave wig. Guys, that is it. That is exactly how I laid this wig. Now, you know what? I'm actually going to say it. I think moving forward, I'm just gonna lay my wig before I do my makeup because I am noticing how it is blending seamlessly. Now, this is what the hair looks like. I haven't put any product on it, by the way, and it goes all the way up until here. I'm quite short, so I wanted you guys to... That is it, guys. That is the end of this tutorial of the 26-inch body wave. Thanks to Alipearl. Comment down below and also check in my description box because I have left all the links where you guys can check out exactly where to get this hair. But until then, me and my luscious wig will see you in my next video right here on YouTube.